Hey everybody, on this video I've got another Old American 700. This one came from the same package here of these two old ones that are all kind of beat up and definitely used outside. This key says front forks on it. This one said front discs. Yeah, careful with that word there. Disc, front discs, like disc brakes. The bidding on that is 46584. And we'll see if we can get into it here. To do that, I'm going to use a 50 thousandths pry bar, and I'm going to apply some clockwise tension. And I'm going to use a number, I think it's a 4 hook from Peterson in 25 thousandths, I think. And I'm going to be doing a clockwise tension and try to lift the pins to the shear line is the game plan here. Alright, what I'm building this here is serrated pins and really weak springs. I'll be really careful here when I got weak springs. They always kind of give me trouble because you just tend to overset pins when their springs are real weak. You know, with these American locks anyway, because they got serrated key pins, so they go above the shear line and springs not pushing them down. And the serrations, you know, hang up, so between those two things can make them tricky to open. Just gotta be real careful with the oversetting. So I've got kind of heavier tension on it, and I'm just kind of barely trying to push them, just almost like rubbing the bottoms of them. So if I'm dealing with serrated drivers, just going one serration at a time. I think I just screwed up. I think I just overset number one. Yeah, I got it. I guess I didn't overset. I guess it was just a serration. So anyway, there's that guy picked open. See if we can get it apart here. And if you need to be all high functioning, have it all my shit actually out and ready to go. Shit out of the way here. have a phone or anything with a clock on it, but this would qualify for insomniac lock picking. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning or close to it. Okay, this thing has some trifle on it. I sprayed some trifle in it when I first got it like a week ago. Okay, it's gonna have a key so we can lock it back. Makes it a little easier to get the clip off. Say that, and of course struggle. But think how hard it would have been if it was unlocked, right? Another stupid jokes. Alright, so try to keep the camera on the desk here. Oh shit. The bidding was 465. Let's get these backwards here. Alright, and then I think these are all going to be serrated pins. I didn't feel any spools. If there is a spool, it's going to be over chamber number 4, but I didn't feel any. So I'd be sort of surprised if there is one. So number 1 serrated like I thought. 2 serrated. 3 serrated. 4 has such a weak spring, it's compressed. It's because the number 8 pin is so long that the spring is so compressed that it's not even forcing the pin out. Okay, so yep, all serrated pins. So what I was feeling there when I was picking it. Then get these springs out here. So we can get chamber number 1. Okay, this one is all compressed. I can tell you that was over that one. The rest of these are probably close to the same. Anyway, that's that 700 picked and gutted. And we got all serrated key pins because they're American pins and they're all longer than a 2. And all of our drivers are serrated. Until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.